Today we will review and unpack a LED ring light, and let's see if it is better or not to actually record videos like this one. So this cost, I bought it in Poland, it's 25 zloty, Polish zloty, which is about 7 euros or $7. So let's see what we get inside and let's see how good it is. So first of all, let's open it. So there are 3 small scotch up. So if it's working well, it's a pretty cheap accessory to use to create any videos or to take better pictures. So there's supposed to be an integrated remote. So let's have a look. Hopla. So this is part of the packaging. This is the main LED ring. Here, this is the part that will hold the phone. And what else do we got? Whoop, whoop, whoop. There's a lot of things. So this is the tripod. And here we have some mounts. It seems like there are 2 mounts. So let's see how it all works. We got a very short explanation. Here you go. This is the user manual. Pretty simple, especially for the price. So first of all, we take the tripod out, and as you can see, the tripod can unfold like this. So we have actually different positions. So here is one. Okay. So the second step is to open the tripod. The first step is to add one mount. So this mount is the small one. It seems to be this one. Yes, we put it up like this. Simply add it here. So it's pretty simple so far. Okay, we did. Now we can add the light. So the light is USB powered. So all you need is a laptop to power it. I have a laptop not far. Let's see how it will work. Remove the here the plastic gear. Oh, the cable will be too short. Okay, here we go. So cable actually is pretty long. Whoa. It's it's about 2 meters long. So which is pretty good, and we can so put it here the same. Very simple. Okay, and it's mounted. So we have actually a small ball here. So it's, I don't know if you can really see, but it's like 360. You can turn it around to orientate it the way you want. Okay, and it's holding on the tripod. And last but not least, this is the part on which we will be able to add our phone. So how it works? Like this? No. Okay, so this one is pretty different. Okay, now I'm getting a little lost. Maybe. No. I use the right one. Definitely. Okay. So, here. Okay. Here we have to unscrew this to put it here, and then we can screw to tighten it like this. Okay, tighten it, and on top here we can add this. Okay, so there are 2 positions like this or up. So this is yeah, so depending on the format you want for your video. Okay, now this is tightened to the max, and now it is tightened to the max. It is on the wrong side for me, but okay. So this is okay. Now it is totally fully mounted. Actually, the tripod has a few positions. I guess you can tighten the tripod. Not really. So actually, it's not so simple. Okay, this is not to tighten the tripod, but to tighten the ball. Okay, and of course we need to plug it in. So let me just plug it into the computer on USB. Okay, I'm plugging in on the computer. Okay, you can see that it is working. The light is on. My computer was off. Okay, I had to log in, and we have 3 buttons. So one button is to up on off, so it is actually working. The second button is to change the type of light, so different kind of whites, and then we have a plus minus. Oh, so we can choose the intensity of the light and the color of the light. So again, no, one, this is kind of yellow light, so I'm not sure really how it looks on the camera. This is white light, and this is not so white light. So I guess we want the white light, and we want it strong. So the plus minus buttons are a little rigged, not so good. So I have here another phone, and I will use it to take a picture. So let's see how it works. So picture 1, switch to picture to camera. So I will put my phone here. Okay, let's put a little timer. How can I change the timer? Okay, I want a timer. Okay, I don't know how to put a timer on this on this phone. Countdown timer here. So I want 2 seconds. It's enough. Oh. Okay, so let's first of all, let's take a picture without. So maybe I need to turn it a little, look to face me. Oh. Okay, tighten it better. So up. Okay, so first of all, we'll just take a standard picture with my phone. So here. Okay. Actually, we can even show to the camera. So let's try it again. I will go in front. I hope it is visible on the camera. So you can see I'm trying to take a picture. So this is just me. 1, 2. Okay. Now we turn this on, and let's try a picture. First of all, let's start with the yellow light. So the same picture. 1, 2. Okay, now let's try again with the not so yellow, not so white color. So again, picture 1. Okay, and the last one with the white. Let's do the same. 1, 2. Okay, I hope it worked. Now let's take the camera back and have a look. So I took 4 different pictures. So this is the picture. Maybe if we turn it, it will be better. So this is the picture without this special light. This is the picture I took with the yellow light. A little better, we see less the background and better the face. Another picture taken with the not so white light. So it's a little better, but okay. And then the picture with the bright white. So with the bright white, we see very well the face and not so much the background. So if we compare up again to the first picture with nothing, so this was the first picture with nothing, and the last picture using this bright white light. So it's a little better. Actually, we definitely see better the face, the subject right in front of the light, and it brightens up what we want to see in front of the camera and put with less focus on what's in the background. So for this price, it's actually pretty simple and probably a good investment. So if you get one, let me know in comment. I got it at the not the free shop, but shop with very cheap products. So if you get one for about $7-8, it's probably worth it. For sure, it's better than nothing at all. And especially if your lights at home are not so good. So as you can see, what they show off is especially like if you do cooking videos or something, if you put products, if you put stuff closer to your phone, to your camera, it will definitely give you a better light, a better focus on what you want to show to the camera. So try it for yourself, and good luck with your videos.